So the first thing you need to do is you have to adjust the mount right here until there is some metal shavings. So we could just turn it on. A little bit of metal shavings right here. I don't want to do too much, but you can see there's some aluminum shaving. Then we can insert the branches. Oh, again, reminder to wear eye protection and gloves while using the chipper. As you can see, it's about like some chunks, but maybe because it's still wet. But you can see the dry ones broke up better.
As a feminine user, I feel it's really friendly to use. At the beginning, we thought about it as if it's safe. Actually, it is. It's only about 160 bucks, so we feel just take 1 or 2 days, it already can worth your money back. Thank you for watching. If this video does help, please click like, and in the future, we will produce more testing video. Gracias. Thank you. 谢谢。